This is how you're going to activate maintenance mode in Hostinger or WordPress. Putting your site in maintenance mode is useful when you're doing updates or making big changes so visitors don't see broken pages. Now, in order for us to do this, I have two recommended methods for you. So first method is via WordPress, which is a plugin and probably the easiest method that you can do. So in order for you to do that, you're just going to install a plugin like WP Maintenance Mode. So we're going to head over to Google, and then I'm just going to head over to our Google search just to show you how it's going to look like. You're just going to search for WordPress WP Maintenance Mode, and then it will come up as the first one. So you're just going to click on this, which is a WordPress plugin. So since this is a plugin, you will have to download this first. So you're just going to click on download it right here, and then once you have it downloaded, you're going to have to activate it, configure your message or design, and then you're just going to have to turn it on. It's just easy as enabling it like this, and then just making sure that you save it. And then another method that you can do is actually go to Hostinger. If you're in Hostinger, this one is kind of sometimes it may not be available for several accounts, so you may not be able to find it for you, but I'm just going to suggest it. So if you go to Hostinger supports enabling maintenance mode from WordPress tools or each panel performance settings, but it depends on plan. But if you see it, you will usually see performance right here, and then you will be able to see core settings, and then you're just gonna have to go to WordPress tools, and there is often a toggle for maintenance mode or coming soon, which actually still looks like this. So you're just gonna have to check this, and then you're just going to click on save. And that's exactly how it's going to look like on Hostinger as well. And you're just gonna have to activate it once again, and visitors will see a maintenance page while you work. This is often included in official Hostinger site maintenance guides. And that's it. That is how you're going to activate maintenance mode in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.